This is why, right? We are interested in cooking time. Now, what is the cooking method? We are using to use the pan, and we are using to use the pressure cooker. And for heating method, we are going to use the stove, and we are going to use the LPG. Now see, these are the levels. We are going for the open pan, and we are going for the pressure cooker. So you can see it's a low and high level. And we are going for the stove, and we are going for the LPG. So it's a low and high level, right? So this is a why cooking time, cooking method and heating method. These are the two factors. And low, open pan, pressure cooker, stove and LPG. These are the levels of each factor. Is it clear?
Can you repeat?
This cooking time we are interested, right? So cooking time is why. This is why, right? This is why. Now we are having cooking method. This is factor 1. We are having heating method. That is factor 2. Clear? Now for factor 1, we are having two levels. Open pan, level 1. Pressure cooker, level 2. For heating method, stove, level 1. LPG, level 2.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Everyone understood? Is it clear? Two slides.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
And now next go to the response. An experiment with these three combinations is carried out, and cooking time taken on each method is recorded as a result. So as we are talking as a result. So what's the result here? We are looking for cooking time. This is the result in which we are interested, right? Now these are the combinations. So let's just try to understand. It's an open pan. We are having cooking method as open pan, heating method as stove, and we are getting the cooking time as 25. And same is the combination pressure cooker, stove, we are getting 15. Open pan LPG, we are getting 18. Pressure cooker and LPG, we are getting 9. So this is the experiment, let's say we are conducted, and we are getting these results. Okay. Now, if you see these combinations, so these combinations are recorded in coded factors as +1 as high and -1 as low, right? If you see what is the 8th order, so last column it will be 50% of will be lower level, 50% will be at higher level. So this 50% will be at lower level, and this 50% will be higher level. So minus minus plus plus, right? So if you go to the heating method, so what is the low? Stove. So it's minus minus and it's plus plus, right? And if you go to the cooking method, again it's a minus plus minus plus. So open pan, pressure cooker, open pan, pressure cooker. So these are the things we had done. Okay, so this is based on the edge order which we had, which in which we have to collect the data, and whatever the result of we are getting, we are putting against of it. This is a response.
This method called something you have told in the yarn method.
Edge order.
8.
Edge order. 8.
8.
Right.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, and now we are going to see the what is the main effect. Now we had seen various concepts. Now if you see practically, we had seen what is the response. It's a cooking time. What is the factors? So we had seen there are two factors: heating method and this cooking method, right? Cooking method and heating method. So these are the two factors. We had seen the levels for it, like pan, pressure cooker, stove and LPG, right? So these are the levels. We had also seen what is the response, that's a cooking time. Up to this point, I think it's very clear, right? Is there a doubt?
No.
It's clear. Okay.
Clear.
Now let's talk about the main effect. So what is the main effect? Main effect is nothing but what's the formula we had seen? Average at high level minus average at low level. Simple. Now, as we are going to see the effect of, let's see first the effect of cooking method. Okay. So if you are going for calculation of main effect due to cooking, so if you are talking about main effect, it is only for the factor. So main effect of the factor. Let's talk about the main effect of the factor 1. That's the main effect of cooking method. So for cooking method, main effect is given by averages at high level. So if you go to the high level, so what's meant by high level? High level means plus. So it will be 15 plus 9 divided by 2. So this is the average at high level minus average at low level. So what's it is? 25 minus 25 plus 18 divided by 2. So if you do the calculation of it, you will be getting minus 9.5. So that means the pressure cooker can reduce the cooking time by 9.5 minutes. So instead of open pan, if you are using the pressure cooker, so it will be reduce the cooking time by 9.5 minutes. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's see the main effect for heating method now. So can you please tell me what is the heating method effect?
Sir, can you go for a second on the previous slide? The last line, thus we can conclude that the pressure cooker can reduce the cooking time by 9.5 minutes. So the pressure cooker and the LPG, it's like pressure cooker and LPG are only the pressure cooker. Only the method
No,
of
we are just talking about main effect, right? Main effect is only for the factor. So what is the factor we are looking for? Only cooking method. So don't take into other things like heating method. What is heating method? Don't worry about it. Only cooking method. So
Okay.
cooking method, average at high level minus average at low level.
Okay.
So at cooking, if you could calculate the result for cooking at high level minus cooking at low level, so we will be getting the main effect of cooking method.
Okay.
Now it's your time to calculate the main effect for heating method. Please tell me what it is.
As a previous slide. So why you're saying a pressure cooker can reduce by minus 9.5? Why you're not saying about a pan?
As you can see, okay, you are talking about why pressure cooker, like that.
Yeah, because we are considering both the pressure cooker and pan, na? Cooking in
Right.
the cooking method.
Right. But what is a high level?
Pressure cooker.
So that's why pressure cooker is reducing, right?
Or we can say that the pan will, by cooking with the open pan, it will increase by 9.5. Will that be another interpretation? Can it be?
Yes, it's the same. It's the same
Yeah.
interpretation. You can see
So
if
we
you
can,
in the pan, if the formula is reverse, average at low minus average at high, if the formula is reverse, then you will be 9.5. So you can see the with the use of pan, you will be increasing the cooking time by 9.5 minutes. It's a sign
Okay.
that indicates whether it's increasing or decreasing.
Okay,
And
so
since
we are
there is
talking about both cooker and the pan in a different way.
right, we are just talking about cooking method with respect to pan and pressure cooker.
Okay, okay.
Right? Now, please tell me about heating method. What is the main effect of heating method?
Heating method. LPG 18. 11,
It's 90.
14,
Fine.
18 plus 9 by 2. 18 plus 9 by 2 minus 25 plus 15 by 2.
Average at high means 18 plus 9 divided by 2, right? And average at low means 25 plus 15 divided by 2. So it is coming as 6.5, right? Isn't it? Okay. So tell me what is the conclusion of it?
So if you do by the gas stove, LPG stove, it will take 6.5 time lesser than the normal stove.
Perfect. Perfect. So LPG fuel reduces cooking time by 6.5 minutes. That's the interpretation of it. And this is called as a main effect. Okay, I think it's okay. So is it clear what is main effect? How to calculate main effect?
So we have two main effects. One is for the your heating method. One is your for cooking method, right?
Right. We are having two factors, two main effect.
Okay.
Number of effects
The
are equal to
number of factor depends on the number of effects. Correct.
number of factors depends on. See, main effect is only
The
for
number
the
of how many factor is there should be that much main effect should be there. Correct.
right. Main effect is only for factor. So if you are having two factor, two main effect, three factor, three main effect, four factor, four main effect. So main effect is only for the factor. This is also called as a main effect of the factor. You can call it as a main effect or main effect of the factor. Both wording is correct. Okay.
That
Now,
means
this
the wherever the label is 2, 4, 5, 6 it doesn't make sense. Only factor is equivalent to the main effect. Correct.
right. Okay. Now to this point, I think just I rewind. We had seen what is a response, what is a factor, what is a level, what is the experimental runs, right? We had seen all that. Now we had also, in addition to that, seen main effect plot. Is it clear? These are the concepts are very clear to everyone, right?
We have 4 runs.
Right. So we can see here 4 runs. Huh?
Okay.
So these are the run. One run is cooking method, heating method. It is minus minus plus minus minus plus plus plus. So this is the run. Okay. Now go to the next term. This is called as now if you go to the graphical representation of it, main effect plot. So you can see it is represented by this. So you can see it's a if you use the open pan. If you use the open pan, then the cooking time will be 21.5 minutes. Now if you use the pressure cooker, the cooking time will be 20 minutes. Similarly, if you use the stove, your cooking time will be 20 minutes. And if you use the LPG, your cooking time will be 13.5 minutes. Right?